Alrighty friends, let's pop it up in the air and use some of these cool flight modes. Alright, so let's see if we can take pictures with gestures. Here's gesture photo. We're going to give it a peace sign. Ooh, phone just vibrated. Now it's counting down. And there you got it. Cheesy grin. That worked like a champ. Alrighty friends, so let's try image follow. Let's see if it'll track me as I go for a stroll. So let's draw the picture around me, or as close as I can get apparently. That looks pretty good. Let's see if it can follow me. Alright friends, so something went wackadoodle with my audio system. So I sped this up so you can see that it is tracking me. I also tested it with the GPS mode and that worked like a champ as well. But nothing else worked the rest of the day. So here is the rest of my flying footage. You can see us flying around my hometown of Kindy, Michigan. I'll give you some views and some tunes. Friends, it was a glorious day and I hope you enjoyed the flight. Alrighty friends, so hopefully you enjoyed a fast flight with a few new cool skills. And of course, if you did enjoy the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching and have a great day.